Hi, this is Crystal Tanish, and this is my Module 13 reflection. So the first question is, what experience has impacted me the most? And I think for a lot of teachers, the experience that has impacted me the most has been the whole coronavirus. What has happened with the schools and all the things that have been affected with that. So with my school has been amazing. So we didn't get to say goodbye to any of the kids. So as a staff, we sent out a video just telling the kids like we miss them and we care about them, and to just see that as a whole staff like was really amazing. I really enjoyed it, and I think that the students will appreciate that as well, especially since we didn't get to say goodbye and we miss them. How has my tool set or mindset changed? So with this whole experience and with Cal State Teach as well, distance learning has become an even bigger topic and something that's super important now with the schools being closed. So I think that just being able to realize how important distance learning can be for students and ways that we can help both students in our classrooms and ways we can help ourselves as a student still going to school has been impactful for me. So my district has actually sent out a schedule for students to follow with resources and links for each grade level. So it was really helpful for me because as a teacher, I don't want my students to fall behind, and I still want them to be prepared when they go to the next level. So that allows them to practice the skills and the standards that we have set at home. So still getting the practice. If they have technology at home, it's important. So, and then with Cal State Teach, it was really helpful when we met with you to see our next steps, and also with the modules being able to be flexible with the assignments and being able to do a couple different things when we weren't able to record our students. And then the last question, what questions do I still have? And that is kind of a big one. There's not really much that we can answer right now, but obviously I'm already thinking of like how it's going to impact our hours, which I know you guys are working really hard to figure out, and not even just Cal State Teach, but other programs like this as well. So I've just been thinking like what are we gonna do about like hours, and then like with the TPA and Marika, like what will happen with that. I took my Rika again, and I missed it by 5 points this time. I missed it by 2 last time. As a math teacher, that test is really difficult for me, and I have been studying a lot for that. And I really do want to just do the videos now because I have taken it 3 times. I've taken a class for 8 hours. I've studied my own. I've went to different teachers and different resources to try to get help, but that test is just really difficult for me. So I think the video option is what I am leaning towards. And so one more question for me now is just when I will be able to do that. I know that I will be able to do that in the future, so now it's just all about timing. So just a lot of questions, but just waiting. It's not really things that we can answer right now, but just waiting and staying positive is helpful. And that is my Module 13 reflection. Thank you for your time.